The nervous system functions to process input from sensory receptors, transfer and interpret impulses, and to control the functions of the body's muscles and organs. The nervous system is comprised of nerves made up of specialized cells known as neurons.
The organs that only females have are the uterus and the ovaries. They're on the lower torso. The ovaries is a pair of tiny glands in the female pelvic cavity and are the most important organs in the female reproductive system. And the uterus is a hollow muscular organ of the female in the reproductive system that is responsible for the development of the embryo and the fetus during the pregnancy. And are here.
The organs that only male have are the ductus deferens, that here they are, and that are a tiny muscular tube in the male reproductive system that carries sperm from the epidermis to the ejaculatory duct. Another part is the prostate, that is a walnut-sized gland that grows throughout a man's life and may eventually interfere with or prevent urination by blocking the urethra. Another part is the Cooper's gland, that is a pair of exocrine glands in the male reproductive system. Another part is the penis, that is a male external excretory and sex organ. Another part is the testes, that are a pair of ovoid glandular organs that are central to the function of the male reproductive system. And these ones are the organs that only males have. The organs that both have are hypothalamus, that is here, that is the most important center for homeostasis in the human body, and it is a small region of the brain, and it controls many vital bodily functions including hunger, thirst, body temperature, and hormone secretion. Also is here the pituitary gland, that is a pea-sized gland located in the center of the skull, inferior to the hypothalamus of the brain and posterior to the bridge of the nose. And also is here the pineal gland, that is an important endocrine gland that produces the hormone melatonin. Also here it's the thyroid gland, and is shaped like a butterfly and usually weighs less than 1 ounce. The parathyroid gland are a collection of 4 round glands around the size of a grain of rice. The thymus glands, despite containing glandular tissue and producing several hormones, is much more closely associated with the immune system than with the endocrine system. The pancreas, it's a glandular organ in the upper abdomen. The kidneys, the waste filtering and disposal system of the body. And the suprarenal glands are a pair of glands that secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream.
There are 2 types of diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the body isn't able to produce enough insulin, and so blood glucose becomes too high unless insulin is injected.
And in type 2 diabetes, the body is unable to respond effectively to insulin, which can also result in higher than normal blood glucose levels. Medications for type 2 diabetes include those which help to increase insulin sensitivity, those which stimulate the pancreas to release more insulin, and other medications which inhibit the release of glucagon.